Hey everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I'm gonna swatch this little NYX palette for you. It's called NYX Foil Play. I got it as part of a free Facebook pickup. It's really nice little metallics. They're kind of soft, which is why there's it's a quick little swatch video, so let me go ahead and swatch it for you. Okay, these don't have names. The entire palette is called Do the Hustle. Starting at the top left, it's just a standard metallic golds. Obviously, the foil in name kind of implies that they're all going to be metallic-y. The one right next to it is subtle but pretty. It's like a pinkish champagne. Gives it more of a wet look than any actual pigment. One in the second row. Ooh, that's purple. I thought it was pink. It looks pink in the pan. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a lilac metallic. I can't really build it up, so it must be a good topper. I haven't worked with NYX eyeshadows before. I'm not super impressed so far, although I haven't put these on my eye yet. Next is a nice magenta metallic. This one looks purple. Is it though? It's more of a gray. It does have some light purple reflect in it. These are very different, but I don't know if I'd call this one purple. It looks very purple in the pan. So interesting. And then this last one here is quite soft. Holy moly, picked up a lot. It's a nice slate gray. This is very pretty. They're all very pretty. It's kind of standard. You know, it's not anything special except if you like metallics. Some of these I think would really look pretty over top of something. But that's basically it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye. Oh, let me not sit on the other palettes, please. Yay, you only me out at the end. So it didn't interrupt. Would you like to eat?